This is the story how early humans hunted without weapons. 2.5 million years ago, long before spears or bows existed, survival demanded cunning, courage, and cooperation. This is the story of Homo habilis, early humans who hunted not with weapons, but with their wits. Dawn breaks over the African savanna. Two figures move silently through tall grass, a male and female Homo habilis, their bodies marked by scars from countless struggles. They spot a hyena feeding on a fresh antelope carcass. This is their chance. Armed only with stone flakes and a broken bone, they must act quickly before other predators arrive. The male charges forward, swinging the heavy femur bone and roaring. The hyena, startled by the sudden aggression, retreats into the shadows. It's a dangerous gamble. One wrong move could mean injury or death. But desperation drives them forward. With the scavenger driven off, the female wastes no time. She kneels beside the carcass, her stone flakes slicing through flesh with practiced precision. Blood mingles with dust as meat falls into her leather pouch. The male stands guard, eyes scanning the horizon for threats, lurking in the tall grass. Now comes the most valuable prize, marrow. With a sharp crack, she splits the bone open, revealing the rich, fatty interior. This nutrient-dense food will sustain them through the harsh days ahead. Every piece matters. Every moment counts. As the sun sinks lower, casting golden light across the savanna, they gather their hard-won bounty. Exhausted but alive, they exchange a glance, silent acknowledgement of their shared survival. Together, they disappear into the gathering dusk, carrying the spoils of their intelligence and teamwork. This is how early humans survived, not through superior strength or deadly weapons, but through cooperation, resourcefulness, and an unbreakable will to endure. 2.5 million years ago, every meal was a victory, every sunrise a triumph.